Hello my healthy people, welcome back to Maxine's Corner. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make 4 delicious recipes: some cabbage, some delicious snow peas, some quinoa, yes, perfect for meal prepping, which I love to do, and we're going to be making some delicious roasted potatoes. So stay tuned for that and let's get started. Let me show you how to make it. So what I have here is a small red cabbage that I'm going to cut up into pieces. Alright, so I have chopped up all my red cabbage. It's just a small red cabbage. So let's get ready to cook it. Let's go. Let's make it. Alright, so I'm getting ready to make my cabbage. And I'm going to add a teaspoon of olive oil. And if you are plant-based, you can just go ahead and use water instead. So once I add my oil, I did cut up some tomatoes. All the recipes are going to be in the description box, and some green onions. So don't worry about it. Okay. So I have some green onions and some tomatoes here. Just let that cook for a little bit. Oh, one got in. Meal prepping for the week. If you love what you see so far, go ahead and give this video a what? Big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely free to subscribe. And hit the bell so you won't miss any notifications, okay? Now we add our cabbage. Mixed everything together. My spices, and I have a little bit of Mrs. Dash, adobo, black pepper, garlic powder, and some goya vegetable seasoning, and I'm just putting it all over. And it's cabbage, vegetables, doesn't take long to cook. Oh wait, I'm gonna add a few drops of sriracha just to bring the spices in. Woo! If you don't like spicy, you don't have to add the sriracha. Okay, let's take a look at our cabbage. Wow, so this is all done. Absolutely delicious. And it's time to eat. The next recipe I'm going to be making is some delicious snow peas with some soy sauce. Let's get ready. As you may see, it's a little hot. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil here. Meal prepping for the family, guys. Gotta make the... So what I'm going to do is I'm adding some green onions. Add my green onions. Sprigs of thyme. Ginger paste. To that, I'm adding 1/8 cup of soy sauce. Now this is a small wok. Maybe I needed a bigger one. Look at that. Pretty. Pretty, pretty. If you love snow peas, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. I'm going to add a little bit of sesame seed seasoning blend to this. So pretty. This is the one from Trader Joe's. Look at that. That's it. It's done. Delicious, yummy snow peas meal prep for the family. Let's get going. It's back to school time and we got to get back into our routine. Whoop, whoop. Let's move on to making our quinoa, which I absolutely love and my family enjoy as well. So let's make it. Let's go. I have 2 cups of quinoa that I am washing. Add a teaspoon of butter. Not much, just a teaspoon. Handful of spinach. I'm going to add my quinoa. Okay. A little bit of Mrs. Dash. Now I'm gonna add my water. 4 cups of water. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop these thyme leaves in here just like that. This is our quinoa. It's all done, nice and fluffy. Look at that. If you love quinoa, go ahead and give this video a what? Big thumbs up. All right, simple and easy to make. If you like what you see so far, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. It's free, guys. Yes, subscribing is free. All right. The next recipe I'm going to be making is some delicious roasted potatoes. So let's get started. So basically what I did was I washed some potatoes. After you wash your potatoes, you're going to cut them like this. Just half like that. Just want you guys to see it. Just like that. So to dry all your potatoes, all you have to do is just put it out on a dish rag. And then just fold it up like this. And then just pat it dry till it's all dry. Once it's dried, so you're gonna get your baking sheet and then you're gonna pour all your potatoes on it like that. First thing that you're gonna do is drizzle some olive oil all over, and then now I'm gonna sprinkle some Mrs. Dash, some adobo, and a mix of herbs, which is thyme, sage, basil, lavender, all over, just like that. Hey, if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do so. It's free, and don't forget to hit your bell so you won't miss your notifications. Okay, so everything is pretty much well coated, as you may see. I'm going to put this in the oven at 450 degrees for about 30 minutes, and I'm just going to cover on top. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. So I'm just going to cover on top like this so it won't burn. 450, 30 minutes. Then you're going to, after 30 minutes, you're going to remove it and then let it cook, let it bake for 15 more minutes, okay? So it's been 30 minutes at 450 degrees. So what I'm going to do now is uncover it and throw it back in for 15 more minutes. That's what it looks like uncovered. 15 more minutes and you're done. That's it, guys. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today. If you love this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, and also check out some other videos as well. And what? Stay healthy.